So we got to derive the relation x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. So what is this? In which standard form is this? This is the standard form of
double
intercept form. Okay. So we're gonna derive double intercept form here. So the question will be derive the relation x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1 where the symbols have the usual meaning. So in that way the question may ask in examination. So to derive this equation, first of all, in coordinate axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So let m be a straight line that cuts x-axis and y-axis at the points a comma 0 and b 0 comma b. So this is the line mn. This is the line mn, and it cuts x-axis at point a, and point on x-axis will be a comma 0, and point b will be 0 comma small b. So now this is the origin obviously. So what is x-intercept here? Small a. X-intercept will be small a and y-intercept will be small b. So see here. So let mn be the straight line that cuts x-axis and y-axis at these points such that x-intercept will be OA is a small a and OB is small b. Now let us consider P x y be any point on the line AB. So P x y be anywhere on this line AB. Anywhere, no problem. Okay. So now when this point P is on this line AB, now look at here carefully. A, P and B, they are on the same straight line or not? So if they are on the same straight line, then that points will be collinear points. So since the point A, P and B are collinear, so what do we get? If the points are collinear, then their slopes are same. Like above, you can take any points AP and BB, the slope of line AP and PB, or AP and AB, anyone. Okay, so I am considering here slope of AP and slope of AB are same. Why? Because the points are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same straight line. Now what is the formula to find the slope of line when two points are given? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is the formula to calculate slope. Now always suppose the first point as x1 y1 and second point as x2 y2. Okay. अब इसमें क्या होगा? This point A x1 y1 and point P x2 y2. So what is the slope of line AP? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Do you get it or not? And what is the slope of line AB? B minus 0, because x1 y1 and B will be x2 y2, isn't it? So what will be the slope here? B minus 0 upon 0 minus A. So now simplify that, or y minus 0 means y over x equals to b minus 0 means b upon 0 minus a means minus a. So now, no, b minus, okay, b minus 0. Okay. So here is x minus a. X minus a. So now let us have a cross multiplication. So what do we get? Minus ay equals to, multiply this with is b x minus a, or we get minus ay equals to bx minus ab, or minus ay equals okay, what we can do here is we can shift this ab to the left hand side, so it's sign change, ab equals to bx plus ay. Now what to do? Dividing all terms by ab, because we need 1, isn't it, at one side. So dividing all by ab, what do we get? So ab cancel out, 1 equals to b cancel, x upon a plus y upon a cancel, y upon b. Therefore x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1, which is the required equation of a straight line in double intercept form, where this small a represents x intercept and small b represents y intercept. Do you understand or not? Okay, good.